Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's time for another brew review. Oh, I do like a brew. And today we're going to do another one on the Bird&blend Sweet Shop Favourites line. Once again, this video is not sponsored by Bird&blend, but at Bird&blend, if you want to hook me up, please get in touch. And today's will be the drumstick. Information on the back for the ones that like it. I've already got the brew mass in, so we'll get on with that in a little while. As always, I totally appreciate all your support and help with the channel. Any suggestions you want to drop a comment, what you'd like me to review next, I'll give it great consideration, and if I think it's worth a go, I'll definitely have a go. It doesn't have to be a brew. It could be coffee, hot chocolate. Yes, let's do a hot chocolate one soon. Food, whatever. I'm open to most suggestions. As always, do please like, subscribe, press the bell for notifications, tell your friends, tell your family, tell that random stranger in the street. And like I say, the brew has been steaming and massing, so we get a fuller flavour. There's the open packet of this one. So you get 3 in a box. I think I might order the next lot, but we'll see. We'll get through this one before we go down that route, I think. The ingredients in this one: apple pieces, rose hip, hibiscus, Chinese mulkalung, probably pronounced that wrong, sunflower petals, freeze-dried raspberry, natural flavourings. Let's get the tea bag out. Making a mess as normal, but I'll get that cleaned up. Just get a little clean up as we go. And without further ado, let's get tasting this brew. Quite nice. Yes, definitely you can taste like the drumstick even, flavourings. Quite very pleasant, very pleasant. And on that note, let's give it its mark out of 5 as always for the drumstick one from Bird&blend favourites. I'm going to give it a nice 3.9. 3.9 for Bird&blend Sweet Shop Favourites drumstick. As always, thanks for watching. Until the next time, bye.